Somewhere off the coast of Africa, in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, lie a handful of volcanic islands. Among these islands, there is one that feels different. Tenerife, the largest and somehow the most alive. Every trip starts the same way. Early morning, packed bag, and that quiet excitement you can't quite put into words. From the moment I arrived, I could feel it, this pulse beneath everything. When I finally got to fly, everything else disappeared. The noise, the stress, the world below. Welcome to paradise, welcome to the European Hawaii. That's what they call it, Canary Islands, especially Tenerife. I'm now going to the first spot with my FPV drone. Super stoked to fly, it's a beautiful day. Last time I was here, there were people living inside those abandoned houses. This time, I wasn't just traveling, I was searching for stillness. The air felt heavier. Maybe that's why I came here, to lose the noise. FPV isn't just about flying, it's about freedom. Wow, for me it's one of the most beautiful things. Just watching the ocean and you stop rushing and start noticing. That was close to falling off that cliff. Let's go to that hole. Agujero? Agujero? I don't know. Let's stay right here. Let's check it out. Oh yes. Sometimes I found the perfect place. Sometimes I found nothing. But every turn led to somewhere worth remembering. What a beautiful life we have. Be thankful. More moments like those, please. I think I'm done for today. I head home now. Gonna pack my things. See you tomorrow at another spot. Playa de San Juan. It's a beautiful spot. There's this hidden abandoned house directly at the sea, and yeah, today we're going to check it out. So let's jump there. It's really hot here. It's fucking burning. Up there, gravity stops being a rule. Time dissolves. And for a few seconds, you feel infinite. Of Spanish people here to film them while they're skateboarding, so let's see. We just fly, have a great time. I guess that's it. Last drone session of the day.
Singing in the dark, take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were always waiting for this moment to arrive.
Thanks for watching. This was my Tenerife vlog. See you soon. Have a great day. Bye.